Hi. Well, as I wrote in my article, this conversion tool by Greyd is a massive time saver. If I would have to rebuild all of this manually in the full site editor, I think I'd go crazy. And second of all, it would really take me at least 2 days because there's a lot of bingo jingo in here. Okay. Now, one of the things I like to do is to be rather safe than sorry. So before anything else, I will go into the customizer and go to extended global CSS and copy what I have done in here, all my custom stuff, and save that in a safe place. And now I'm going back. All right, so let's get going. I'm going to Greyd.Suite. And now I'm going to the installer. Right, I'm going to get started. Here's the new Greyd theme. I'm installing. I'm leaving that as is, and I'm going out of here. And here is the whole new dashboard from Greyd. Okay. So now what I want to do is to start the conversion. I'm going under Appearance to the FSE converter. And it gives me styles, fonts, header and footer to convert. And please note, converting menus is not yet implemented because that is really hard, but rebuilding a menu, well, that's pretty easy, especially in full site editing. And then there are the system templates. Now, what is very, very important is that you can always go back unless you have hit these red buttons. Okay. All right. So, and another thing is, if you're using Greyd.Suite, you've got the Greyd Hub, and just make sure that you create a backup before anything that you do, because it's so easy to pull it back in. So that's what I did. Anyway, so we're going to do that. I'm going to click on Convert Styles, Convert Fonts, Convert Header, Convert Footer, okay. Now I'm doing all the system templates. Okay. Now let's see what happened. So if you remember, this is what it looked like with the classic theme. Visit the site. Oops. But it's not really oops. Because the fact that my little visual elements here are missing tells me that I still need to add that custom CSS that I had. So I'm going to do that. And for that, the menu is in German. I'm sorry. I go to Webseite bearbeiten. In English, that would be edit site. I'm going to click in here. And then I'll go to the additional CSS and paste it in. Save. Now let's see what happened. View the site. As you can see, this is much better. I mean, this is all minor tweaks that I have to do, but I can probably have my whole site back up in about an hour, maybe 2 hours, instead of 2 days. Now, that is saving money, isn't it? So I go back to the dashboard so you can see what the other pages look like. The one where I speak about design also had a lot of visual elements in it. Offset stuff. And as you can see, the majority of it is still here. So thank you, Greyd, for creating this fantastic tool, because this will save a lot of time.